Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download Cobblemon to Minecraft. Firstly, go to Cobblemon's page on CurseForge, click Files at the top and find your Minecraft version, then click Download next to it. Then save the file somewhere easy to find. Now install Forge or Fabric for your Minecraft version and open the Minecraft launcher and go to Installations. Now find your Forge or Fabric profile and click the folder icon to open the Minecraft directory. Open or create a mods folder if it doesn't exist and drag and drop the Cobblemon mod file and all dependencies into this folder. Then go back to the launcher, select your Forge or Fabric profile, then click Play. If you want to install your server, log into your server control panel, change the server's game type to Forge or Fabric, open FTP file access and log in, and navigate to the mods folder of the server. Upload the Cobblemon mod file and dependencies here, and once uploaded 100%, restart your server and apply the changes. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.